is dear for her parents. But I think I am wild because they named me Shristi. So please provide me topic.
Srishti, your topic is lesson of lockdown.
The lesson of lockdown. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. At first, I am feeling very sad to talk about the lesson of the lockdown. Yes, the lockdown had started. The diseases had spreaded. Had not touched your face, had not touched your hair, and diseases was everywhere. Yes. At first there were 5, and then it turned into 100, it turned into 1,000, and it turned into crore. Oh, what a surprise. Virus was becoming alive. Yes. Alas, everything was closed. The park, the mall, the business, the fun place to stay and need to stay home. As opposed to in order to the keep virus away. Yes, I'm talking about that incident. I'm saying hardly, I literally don't want to remember those days. Because from the lockdown, during the lockdown, the many people even get many lessons too. Even lost a lot too. Yes, friends. If we something get, definitely we something lost too. Yes. So let's move on. Let's talk first. What did we get the lesson from the lockdown? I would like to put the thoughts of mine. At first, there are some points. At first, I would like to put. The first is that there is existence of God. Nobody can change His plans. Why is it so? The first point is that yes, there is existence of God, and the who's were atheists when they also started to believe in the God. Because how is it so? I'm saying like so. Why is it so? Because see, before the lockdown, we must have a plan. We must have much plans that we will do this and we will do that next month or next day. But when what happened? Sudden, everything went unplanned. So it means that everything is possible by our doings, but that is not possible. Yes, we are able to do the things. Everything is in our hands, but taking the decision in the hands of God. So never forget to the God and keep faith in the God. God gives a many lesson, and this was a great lesson for the atheist one who were atheists, who were using to say that yes, there is no such a kind of God. No, but the God proved us wrong. The God realized that no, I am here, I am observing everything. The second point I am going to tell that nobody can knows. Not I can say it, nobody, yes, there are some people who cannot understand the burdens of someone's. During the lockdown, I was listening that there is no such a kind of disease. The lockdown is just wasting of our time. Some people are saying, I'm not blaming to all, but there were some people like so. Don't underestimate of the things. Because this is the fact. During the lockdown, I'm feeling very sad to say about the lockdown. I have got the lesson of very sadness. During the lockdown 2022, I have lost a precious part of my life. Then I started to consider there is no such a kind of people who literally consider that what is the fact. Whenever the person were using to say that no, there is no such a kind of fact.
It's over. Okay, it's a phonetic time.
Okay. Oh, I was saying that those people who were using to understand that no, there is no kind of disease. So don't underestimate of the disease. Disease will be disease, and it can harm to us. Now I'm going to another way, that is the great things, the great. We have known the importance of money. Yes, we have known about the importance of money. Each things were buying by money. Without money, you cannot treat, you cannot cure your patient who is infected by the disease. Doctors were not allowed, doctors were not agree to treat their patients without money. We cannot remove our starvation without money. Everything was money at that time. Even those who had a lots of money, they were able, even they were helping to the poor and needy people. But who had not much money, they were, we can say that they were trying to help, but still they were unable to help. Everything was depend on the money. Even we were trying to be attend the online classes, still there would need to be money to pay, to feel, to attend the online classes. Because there should be recharge in our mobile, right? Without money, nobody allowed to do the things. Yes, you even somebody wants that. No, you are not allowed to allow online classes. Sometimes these all things were happening. So the consequence of my saying is that, and the base of the lesson of the lockdown is that.
Thank you, Srishti. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
My question to you, that for so many, we are thinking that the lockdown was a nightmare, but for so many people, it creates a great opportunity. How you can say?
Thank you, sir. Asked me this question. At first, I would like to say, coin has two aspects. Somebody, the person get the things. Somewhere the person lost the thing. Same way, for some people, it was the night day. It was a dark day for the people. Somewhere, it was a good day for the people because they were getting the opportunity. They were getting the time to use their quality. So I just want to say this, that.
Any example?
Suppose we have a quality, okay? We are, suppose I want to become a teacher, okay? We can use our quality to join to provide a good class to the students, okay? It is the quality, it is the good day for the teachers, for the person who want to become a teacher, I can say. And the second night things means dark day for those people who are literally unable, who are the needy one. Nobody are helping even them. They are the, we can say, laid on the roadside. So it is the night day, it is the dark day for those people, for the needy one who are the laid on the roadside, and the good day for those person who has a quality and they can show their quality by their own ability, by their own skills.
Thank you, Srishti, for learning the lesson of lockdown to us. Now,